Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix Steam game not launching on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, go to search and type run. Over here, open run and type steam://flushconfig, then click OK. After that, open Steam and find the game you are having issues with, then right-click on the game. Over here, click on Properties, then go to Installed Files. After that, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, then wait for the process to complete. After that, click OK to save changes. Then go to Search and open Device Manager. Over here, expand Display Adapters, then right-click your graphics driver and click Update Driver. After that, select Search Automatically for drivers, then wait for the update to complete. Over here, go to Search and type Check for Updates, then open it and install all available Windows updates. After that, restart your computer, then check if your game is working. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.